Today, I'm going to show you what is inside of a vacuum cleaner. All this is just a simple kind of vacuum cleaner. You just plug it into the wall and it works. We are going to take the motor out. Let's go. I guess let's start by undoing these two screws. Hopefully this gets us somewhere. The screws are slightly tight. That first panel didn't show anything interesting. Let's get to the next one. This panel is probably gonna show us some screws. I kind of want to know what kind of motor or motors that they use. We're getting somewhere. I see a motor shaft with a belt on it. That probably drives the beater brush. We have to undo more screws. Just remember to not screw up. I've always enjoyed taking apart electronic devices. I like learning about the inside of things and how they work. There's so many screws. I just want my big motor. I always peek behind something and see another screw. Now that I took the whole top part of the vacuum cleaner off the bottom part, now I can see more screws. I undid a bunch of screws. Let's see if we can get this thing off. I guess there's still screws. I see a large motor in the crack. I don't know, but I think it's a universal motor. Here's the motor. The smooth shaft side drove the beater bar, and the front big side has a fan on it, which sucks. This is a universal motor. It can also run off of direct current, or DC. The windings are super thick. It's supposed to handle watts and watts of power. And this is the push switch that controlled the motor. I'm going to try sending DC through the motor to see if I can get it to spin. 7.5 volts is enough to get it to spin and start itself. It's a pretty powerful motor. The blower blows air through the motor to cool it off. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.